Are you looking for a savory recipe to take to a Christmas party? Well, today we're trying a sausage pinwheels recipe. Check it out and please let us know if you like the recipe. And if you do, be sure to check in the description for a link to the full recipe. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients that you'll need for sausage pinwheels. You need some green onions, Dijon mustard, some salt and black pepper. You need cream cheese that is at room temperature. You need some sausage, obviously, and you need some flour tortillas and a garlic bulb. I think it's 2 cloves of the garlic bulb. And that is it. Let's get started. Our first step is going to be to prep our green onions and mince some garlic. And Joel is not a fan of green onions, so I probably won't be putting as much as the recipe says to have 4 tablespoons. I'll probably not quite that amount just because he might not want to eat it at all. I got my green onions from Aldi. It's the first time I've ever bought green onions there, and I'm having to pull off quite a few pieces here that just don't look that good. But anyway, I should be able to get enough out of this for what I'm looking for. But like I said, if you're going to do the full amount, the 4 tablespoons, hopefully you'll be able to find a good bunch that doesn't quite look that bad. And you want to make sure that you do really thin slices, especially if your husband is like Joel and doesn't like green onions at all. You want to make sure you get it as thin as possible. But when we make cornbread dressing and we put green onions in it, we put it in a mini chopper and pulse it up so that it's really, really fine. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll mince the garlic. Next step is going to be to brown the sausage. Now we're going to make our filling. We have our cream cheese, we're adding garlic, the green onions, Dijon mustard, salt, black pepper, and now the sausage. Now we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to take our tortillas. We're going to put 1/3 of the mixture on each one. We should have 3 tortillas when we're done. Go to this side and this side all the way, but then leave a little bit of space on the ends. You're gonna cut that off anyway, so it's okay that it's not in there, but it does help it spread a little easier. The recipe says to cut it into your pinwheels and then refrigerate, but any pinwheel recipe I've ever done, you roll it, refrigerate it, and then you slice it after you're done. So I'm going to do that. I'm not sure why you would do it the other way. Then we'll just wrap that with some plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator. We have to do 2 more. So they are done. We're going to do a quick taste test. I will note that I went back and looked at the instructions. It did not say that you had to chill these at all. It actually says that if you're not serving them immediately, that you can chill them up to 2 hours. So you could go ahead immediately cut them and serve them. So it's all according to like when you're gonna have time to serve. So like if you have to drive to go to a party or something like that, and you need to make these an hour or so ahead of time, then you could chill them, is what it's saying. All right, so Joel?
I'm not a huge fan, but I mean, it tastes fine.
Yeah. Do you think a little cheddar cheese in this would have, like...
I don't know.
You don't know? I think you also have to remember, he is not a fan of green onions, so having green onions in it may have been, like, the thing. Not a fan? No. Okay. I think they taste fine for a party, you know. They're very savory. They're, you know, so it's going to offset some of the sweets. So I think it's a good choice. I think I would try in the future adding some cheddar cheese to it, but otherwise it's really good. We hope that you enjoyed today's recipe and would love to know if you plan to try it. If you would like to see another one of our Christmas treat videos, we're going to put it right here on the screen. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and hyping our video to help us with the algorithm. And until the next video, we want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace. Merry Christmas!